In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tons of XP in Duolingo. So before I start this video, I want to say please make sure you watch the video the whole way through and pay close attention to ensure that you don't get anything wrong and you get these steps all correct. So the first thing you want to do is obviously install the Duolingo app and make sure you are signed in. Now, once you're signed in, it's going to show you a few different things at the bottom here. You can see all these different bits here. The one I want to go to is this little chest icon here, and these are quests. So the best way you can get XP in this is to go through and do your quests. Every single day you're going to have different quests and they're going to give you different XP. Now, something I think is very underrated and people don't know about is the friend quests. So you can add your friends and you can do quests with friends, and basically that's going to give you a lot of XP, and that's almost going to double your XP every single day. So just go ahead and make sure you log in and keep your streaks on Duolingo. That's going to help you to also gain XP. So make sure you keep your streaks and you do your daily quests and also do your friend quests. That's how you're going to get XP. So other than that, that's basically how you do it. There's no like glitches or anything like that, hacks to get around it. You just have to kind of put in the work and do the quests as the app is designed. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that this video helped. Thank you for watching.